Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something not so instant, but it's pretty quick. It's a frozen variety, continuing the two Taiwanese frozen varieties that were recently shipped to me from PLN Food Company Limited of Taoyuan, Taiwan. We've got their spicy paste noodle. I'm gonna cook this sucker up. So what do? We need, I'm gonna do 75 seconds to get these noodle blocks. And seasoning. So this one you don't need to put in with the boiling water. Yeah, these you don't need to put in with the boiling water. These you do. And I will show you what I'm talking about. These big suckers. So drop those in. And I'm gonna throw these noodles in here. I'm gonna do the whole pack. I figure it'll be fine. So basically 2 servings worth of this stuff. You know, I want to say I do need to put both of those sachets in. Or technically all 4. So that's what we're gonna do. So there's the other 2. And yeah, we do it for 75 seconds. 60 to 90 seconds. I figure 75 is about right. So yeah. So the last one that I made was absolutely wonderful. So I'm hoping have similar results with this. I have a feeling I will. There we go. Doing a little stir. When making this, you want to use a nice big pot, and I wish I would have used a bit bigger of a pot, but it'll work out. And it is May 28th today. Getting towards the end of May, heading over to June. I don't know how that worked. That was quick. And what's next? We were watching my buddy got a hold of me and he said, hey, they're doing the SpaceX launch on TV. You should watch it. So I put it on. What happens? They aborted it. They didn't do it. And he told me to put it on like 3 hours before. So it's been on TV for 3 hours. They aborted it. I blame him. It's his fault. Let's see, this is almost done. Let's get these sachets out. There's one. Ooh, they're hot. And I have a feeling the contents of the sachets will be hot too. Those made it to the bottom of the pot. Okay. So, let's drain them. The noodles. There we are. Wow, I must have gotten to like a new level of noodling. I just spilled boiling water all over myself, and it doesn't hurt. I guess that's how it works. You get to a certain level of noodle appreciation, and it just doesn't faze you anymore. That's cool. But no, really, if you saw that, I'm fine. So let's add 1. That smells good. And then we've got these big ones. So this is the spicy paste. Spicy. Oh, that's really chunky too. Ooh. Yeah, have a look at that. Alrighty, and the second one. Look at that, thick. I'll be done in a minute, buddy. Then we can go play and do stuff. Alright, and then we combine. So the noodles look basically exactly the same as in the last one that I tried. But the seasoning is definitely a completely different animal. Alright. Cheers. Wow. That's yummy. What's this stuff made out of? Man, I tell you what. Those noodles just have the $1 million chew to them. I don't know what else to say. But they're really, really good noodles. And the seasoning on this one goes from like a Szechuan peppery kind of thing, almost a meaty kind of thing, savory. Wow. Bravo. Very good. There is no doubt. Both are 5. Those are top notch. I'll say, I know you guys have already spent a lot of money sending me noodles, but if you want to send more kinds, I'm game. I'll try whatever you guys want to send my way. Absolutely impressive. That's just wonderful. Whoa. What am I doing? Yeah, look how thick that is. Look, it's got a center vein that's like chewier. Yes. Another one of these varieties that makes me go, this is why I like reviewing. This is why I do what I do. Okay, so with that being said, I've got some beef that I sauteed that I wanted to throw on top. Not that it really needs anything. I mean, this is just like rad. Put some spring onion. And a little more of that chili powder. And a little bit of these toasted sesame seeds. Good enough for me. That's fine. Yes. That is good stuff right there. Let's have a little bit. There you go. Gotta have a little bit of happy music when your taste buds are happy. All right, well, that's the second of two varieties that PLN Food Company Limited of Taoyuan, Taiwan have sent over. I want to thank them very much for going all that effort to bring them to me. And I love them. They're really good. So, yeah, yum. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.